In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download free stock videos. Now, if you are a content creator, or maybe you need stock photos or videos for your content and you don't know where to download some from, now we have so many stock free or royalty free content that you can download over the internet and use. So here I'm going to just share with you some few sites you can download free stock videos or even photos. So there are numerous stock photos or video websites. Now the most popular one that I normally use is Pexels. We also have Pixabay. We have the Cover. We have Darfur, Clipstill, Miskit, Shutterstock. We have a lot of them. Now let's go to Pexels. So I'll leave the link in the description. So here, that's you go to your browser and then you enter pexels.com. Now when you come here, Pexels is a website that hosts a whole lot of stock photos and videos. And one advantage about it is that it's free. You can download any of the videos or photos and use. Why? Because they are royalty free. It means that if you use any of the content and use it to produce your own content, you will not be affected by any copyright infringement. So here, when you come here, you can explore and search for anything that you are looking for. Now they have the video search and the photo search. So if your content or whatever you are looking for is a video, then you probably have to put it on video and then you type in your keyword. Now let's assume maybe I just need a video about wedding. So let me just hit wedding. Now when I click on the wedding, so all these things are search results. They are videos, so you can just go through and then get whatever that you are looking for. All right, so assuming like I'm a content creator and I need a video, a wedding video for my video or to use it to create my content. Now when it comes here, there's a simple way to download it. You can hit on the download button here and I'll just click on it and automatically you will see it's been downloading. So this is the file. At the end of the day, I can use it. Now they have a thank you page here that you can show some appreciation for the owner or the one that just uploaded this content. So you can donate if you wish to support them, and as I told you, they are just free. Now one thing is that if you just click on a particular video, let's assume maybe this is what I want. Now down to it, you might see other suggestions of similar videos. So here you will see a lot of videos relating to what you click on. So maybe you want to download any of them as well. You just hover the mouse to it and then you click on download. So that's a simple way. If you need pictures, then you have to also change it to what? Photos, and then your search will be what? Pictures altogether. So that's how you can use pexels.com. Actually, I love this site and it's very simple to go by it. So if you're a content creator or if you are someone who needs stock free photos or video or royalty free, that there will be no copyright issue when you use them, you can try pexels.com. Download whatever that you need for your content. Now if this video has been so helpful, please kindly hit on the subscribe button and also share this video to help others. Now see you in the next video.